So I am on their homepage. Let's see what they have to offer. So they're saying that for advertisers that they provide high conversions, 100% brand safety, extensive capability of targeting, advertising campaigns, the highest conversion rate on the market. That's interesting. Okay. So I will probably run some traffic here, but they have a worldwide audience, new revenue stream. What's this mean? What does this mean? Okay. And a decent referral program. So these would be how many advertisers they're working with, how many campaigns they're running, and all of their payment methods. All right, so let's see what it takes to create a campaign. So if we go to create campaign here, obviously it looks pretty straightforward. You have your campaign name. So we'll just do something, and then we'll just always do mobile, and then this will be CPC, I guess, right? And then obviously we're doing push notifications. I probably wouldn't do a pop under. So this will come from the traffic source, and here's going to be conversion post back URL to go into the tracker whenever we add EvaDav into the platform. And then the frequency capping, so obviously we can play with this per day. It's set per 24 hours. Here you will add your logo, 30 characters for your title, up to 45 for your description. So it looks like the only issue here, there's limitation where you cannot use multiple creatives, like the smart rotators in some of the platforms, or even on like AdMaven where you can add 5 at a time. So that is a limitation. Here are going to be where we do your targeting. So if you want to do the entire world, you can do that. They have it split up by continent for you. And then we would, oh, okay, I was just joking. I don't want to do the entire world. Now, let me wait for that to go away so I can scroll back down to the bid. Oh no, the worldwide setup froze it. And then I don't think it helps that I'm uploading a YouTube video while I'm recording a YouTube video. Alright, hold on guys. So now I'm all jacked up. Okay, I froze it like in its entirety. So let's go back to create campaign. Where is it at? Campaigns. Well, I guess here's the dashboard, right? So once we do start getting some tracking going on here, you can see it here. So that's interesting. All right, I clicked before I decided I wanted to start talking. So, all right, back into the campaign. Let's go back down to bidding. So let's just do Europe, and let's just type in a cost per click. So if we do, all right, so as you can see, it's going to set it up by country. You can exclude the country here as well simultaneously, and if it's in red, then you would just need to look at the estimate, and it looks like they recommend that we go down. And then once we do that, it's out of the red. And so as far as the rate, CPC, that's 3 cents per click. I like that. That's pretty low. And let's take a look at the targeting options. So we can go by device. So obviously for mobile, we can do Chrome, we can do all of those. Let's just do usually that, right? And then for browser languages, we can go for whatever language. I like this option. Even though they have limitations with the creatives, you can at least target by subscription period. So I would probably, if I'm doing testing, go for 1 to 7, and then as I'm scaling to increase the traffic volume, I probably go to maybe, 8 to 21 days, maybe. But that's a good option. Here are going to be any day parting rules. Internet service providers, so these would probably just be the cell phone carriers, so to speak. And then here's going to be our budgeting. So let's see. Please note due to the specification of push format, so yeah, the delay, right? Everybody knows about the delay, daily budget. So I think if, let's see, well, let me do 20, yeah. And then here you can limit by clicks. I probably wouldn't do that. Remove if you don't want any. Okay, yeah. So launch after moderation. All right, so that's pretty much it. And then you just create. So I would say the only thing that I don't like is that I don't have, I guess Propeller Ads has spoiled me with the estimator. And so is Zero Part, right? It's more intuitive. And then also the ability to test multiple campaigns. So you can't be lazy with these guys. You'll have to set up multiple campaigns at once, pretty much. But that's a very straightforward. So if you want to look at the volume of traffic, so we went for Europe, right? So if I go for the UK just to see, okay. All right, so not that much, huh? Yesterday's clicks, but here to go to the clicks for you, US. Let's see who got the most clicks. So it'll be India, Russia, Indonesia. So you can kind of go by here. This is a good area to get volumes of traffic maybe for their platform. So I wanted to check them out because they said they were transparent for advertisers. I'm gonna probably, so they do require a $100 minimum deposit. We'll see if we would like to run some campaigns since they consider themselves to be high converting platform. We've run some tests on Propeller Ads and Zero Part. We can definitely take that information and test our creatives on this platform as well if we want to try to scale horizontally. So let's see what we can get going here. So let us know if you guys have any questions about EvaDav, and we'll be happy to address them. Make sure you join me in the forum. You can find me in the push traffic section most of the time, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel. We'll be doing more push traffic follow-alongs and case studies coming right at you. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.